Welcome to toy-polloi.
Hello and welcome to another video from toy-polloi, and today we have a little mini unboxing because I've just received this box from Luke at Reynolds Reviews. Now before I even get to the unboxing, I'm going to say go straight away to Reynolds Reviews and give Luke a sub because I'm really enjoying his YouTube channel. I think Luke is an absolutely fantastic guy and I'm just really enjoying what he is doing. He shows such an enjoyment for the toys, and that's what I really like about YouTubers, is when they really are enjoying the toys and having fun with them, and which is what it's all about. Now recently Luke got in touch with me because he knows I'm just about sort of getting into collecting m.a.s.k figures, and I bought a few m.a.s.k figures off eBay, and he said that he had the m.a.s.k for this Buddy Hawk figure, which is one of the ones I picked up off eBay, but as you can see he doesn't have a helmet. So he said that he would very kindly send that over to me, and I in return have sent him a package of bits. But this box looks far bigger than a Buddy Hawk m.a.s.k, so I'm not quite sure what's in there, and so that's what we're going to have a look at today, because this is clearly more than a m.a.s.k helmet. But do go and check out Luke's channel, and I have sent him a box of stuff, so if you want to see what I've sent him, you will have to be subscribed to his channel to go and check that out. So go over there, give him a sub, and then come back here and we'll open this box. So what's inside? I've got my knife here. Let's open this up and we'll see. I really have no idea apart from the one thing that I have mentioned, so the rest of it to me is a mystery, and there's a letter on the top. Let's just give that a quick read and see what Luke has said. So it says, Dave, I hope this finds you and Mrs. toy-polloi safe and well. As discussed, please find enclosed a penetrator mask for Buddy Hawks. It's a pleasure to be able to help you with your collection, as your repair and restoration videos have helped me save so many figures from my collection over the last couple of years. However, whilst packing up the mask, it looked a little sorry for itself all alone in the box, so I've thrown in another item, as I've always wanted to contribute to a certain army of yours. Ah, right. Might give me a slight clue. Keep up the amazing work, Dave. You continue to inspire with your repairs and restorations. Take care, buddy. Your friend Luke from Reynolds Reviews. Right, well, there is a slight clue there, but let's have a look and see. Well, guess who it is? It's the mighty and the evil Skeletor. Let's move all these pieces out of the way. So that is what the army is. If you've seen my sort of videos before, I have quite a large collection of Skeletors. I really do like him. I think I should probably do an update video because I've got quite a few more in the sort of recent years. Oh, I can't get this box open. Oh, there we go. So inside here, this is what I was expecting to get. The mask. That was what I was expecting, a small package just with a mask in it. So let's put that on the figure, squeeze that on. Yep, there we go. So now I have a complete Buddy Hawk, and in here we have, this is a Battle Armor Skeletor, which is always fantastic to see. I think Battle Armor Skeletor is one of my favourite ones. I just like the way the chest works. Sometimes they don't work. Oh, this one doesn't seem too bad. It flicks through. Yeah, that's not working too bad at all. Sometimes they don't work at all. And do you know what? I don't think I've got one in this sort of shade of colour. He's got a very sort of limey colour to him. So that is fantastic. And he has included a stand as well. So I can just clip his feet under there. We'll get him standing up. Feels like he might need a new he-band in there. But there we go. That is another Skeletor for my collection. And so there we go, that is what Luke has sent me. And yes, I did put on his mask wrong. I put it on the wrong way round. As I say, I'm new to collecting these figures, so I'm not quite sure how many of them work, or how any of them work, in fact. So this is all new to me. So now, there you go, I've put his mask on the correct way round. So please do go and check out Luke's channel. It's called Reynolds Reviews. The link to that will be in the description. And hopefully over the next few days, he will have uploaded a video of what I've sent him. So check that out, because I did send him some nice bits in return, and I hope he really likes them, because it's always nice to be able to add to other people's toy collections. If you've enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and tap the bell to be notified each time I upload a new video, and thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching toy-polloi. Subscribe for more great videos. You can also follow toy-polloi on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.